Alright, so we're going to teach you how to use Enum in this video. So we're going to use the code that we have before, which is account type, and we're going to add an Enum. So Enum system account. Now this is how you define Enum, right? Make sure it may look very similar to an array, but it's not an array. So no equal sign, just say Enum system account, right? The pattern is just like a class, but it's not a class. Instead of class, it's just say Enum and open curly braces, right? And then give all the values for that new type. Enum pretty much just when you want to create your own type, beside all the predefined types or primitive data type in Java, you can use Enum. And since it looks like class, so it's not an array, so no semicolon at the end, right? No equals, no semicolon. Once you create Enum, now how to use this? So in the program, let's say for example, I want to create a list. So to create a list on the combo box, right? Drop down list, and it's required to have a group of data, which is an array of system accounts, name account, and system account pretty much just the new type, which is Enum. And you can just start to populate the values that you want to have in it. Like for example, if I want to add another type of account, you can just go here. And let's say Guardian, right? Okay. And if I want to put that into the list, I just need to make sure I refer to the system account type, right? Because it's no longer string, right? So it's system account as a type. You start to get to the value of that type. Now the rest of the code pretty much this is for the JavaFX. So same thing, set title, set width to the primary stage to show the windows, right? So oops. And then now you need to create a combo box. A combo box requires to have a list, and the list that it requires is the observer list. And observer list need to get the values to the list, which is the list of accounts. And the type is system account. So we have to specify the type of the observer list now. It's list of system account. And we name instance as options. And if it's collection of observer array list, then we can pass an array. So this is an array to populate values to the observer list and pass into combo box. Now combo box has the list here that we just created as an enum type, and this is system account combo box. Alright, so the rest pretty much just add the label, add the button for the exit, right, and put into the flow pane. Now we can select the combo box, add the action, and it's going to welcome the concatenate the label, right, text with the welcome message to the account type, which is combo box.get values once the user is selected type. And if the user hit exit, it's going to do button set on action E, listen to action when you click system.exit the program. And we add that into the flow pane, which is pane here, label combo box button, and we add pin to scene and add scene to the primary stage and show. So that's just a pattern of how you do UI on with JavaFX. So we're going to test this code now. Recompile it and rerun. Okay. Now you may see this flow pane is not very friendly. You might want to change the pane to, we have a V-box, vertical box, like stacking, instead of pushing in as a flow when you add. So I'm going to change to V-box. It should be under layout, right, package, JavaFX.scene.layout. And just do V-box instead. So it's just an V stand for vertical, so it's going to stack it on the top like that. So now it's not just keep, like jumping around. We may reduce the size width here, right? To a smaller, or we can wrap it too. Alright, so I'm changing to the vertical now, so if you change, I just change width to 100 to make it smaller. So it's going to fit right to the combo box. Just make it look a little bit better. Alright.